is what you'll need for Brazilian coconut chili. As with most Brazilian foods, it's a fusion of different tastes, but here we go. You'll need an onion, some ginger, some garlic, a lemon, tomatoes, some jalapenos or chili peppers, some chicken breasts, so you can use chicken thighs or chicken pieces just as well, some spices. You're going to need cayenne or chili pepper, coriander, cumin, turmeric, bit of garlic powder, some coconut milk, and then whatever you're going to serve it with. First thing we're going to do, put your spices and some salt and pepper into a bowl, give them a mix, and then just coat your fillets with them. Into a pan with some oil. In this case I've used coconut oil because of the recipe, obviously. Then it's in with the chicken fillets. I'm going to cook them for around 6 to 8 minutes, just so the chicken's cooked through with your spices on. Turning occasionally. With your chicken cooking, it's time to chop up your veg, so hopefully you already know how to chop peppers and onions, and grate your ginger and garlic, and there's your tomatoes. Now you can, if you like, just chop them up as they are and throw that in with seeds and all, but I like to remove the seeds and then the skin, and just have the flesh chopped up in there. When the chicken's done, take it out, then into the same juices you went with your peppers and onions. And we're just going to give them 4 or 5 minutes just to soften down. When your onions have softened down nicely, it's time to go in with your garlic and ginger, and we're just going to give them a minute or two to warm through. With your veg nicely cooking away, it's time to get your fresh lemon juice if you can. And do use fresh, as with all ingredients, they're better if they're fresh. But if you've nothing else, then you can use store-bought lemon juice. With everything warmed through, it's time to go in with your lemon juice and your chopped tomatoes. And again, I'm going to give them a couple of minutes just to get warmed through. When they've had a couple of minutes, then it's in with your coconut milk. And we're going to simmer this away until it slightly reduces and thickens up. Into your sauce when it's been sizzling away for a few minutes. Going back in with your chicken, and then again you're going to let that simmer away until your sauce reduces down and thickens up a nice little bit. When your sauce has thickened up a little bit, so it's not like the watery coconut milk that you put in, time to serve it up. Don't forget to get all these bits around the edge because they're full of flavour. So onto a plate, like I said, with your favourite accompaniment, and get stuck in.